everyone, today we will show you how to solve the issue when the printer cannot inject ink. When the printer cannot inject ink, you may notice that after cleaning, start injecting ink, there is no ink flowing between the ink tube and ink sac. First, check whether there is enough ink in the ink bottles. Next, inspect the entire ink supply system to make sure all ink tubes are properly connected and that there are no leaks. Also, make sure the printhead and the capping station are properly aligned and well sealed. A quick way to check this is by printing a nozzle check pattern. If the lines come out clean and complete, that means everything is aligned correctly and sealed properly. If they are not aligned correctly, please contact our customer support team for assistance. Another method is to use a syringe to draw ink from the ink sac, which can help manually prime the ink system. After completing these steps, click Start Injecting Ink again to check whether the ink injection works properly.